regard to the IEC is an independent entity of our state. And we've been very proud of the work that's been done by the IEC over the years, including now, that the IEC is able to consider matters very, very carefully, weigh up the various options. And with this case, I do believe that they've done precisely that. So no individual IEC councillor should be pointed out as having done this or that. It is the entire IEC commission that has taken the decision. And the decision is based, as I heard it and understood it, on bringing clarity to the law so that the Constitutional Court, which is the repository of the entity that should interpret our law, so that they interpret the law and give clarity once and for all parties and for all time. So that is what has driven it. And I don't really buy this notion that the IEC is venturing into politics. The IEC is inherently non-political, it is independent, and we must defend its independence, just as we should defend the independence of our courts. In our constitutional architecture, we decided that there will be entities that will resolve disputes amongst us. And the courts, and now the IEC, which runs the elections, should be given the opportunity